guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this vegan macaroni with a twist. And if you're interested on how I made this macaroni, be sure to stay tuned because girl, it's good. It's good. Now let's get into this video.
Alright you guys, so the first thing we're going to do is get the pot out for the potatoes. We're going to be using the Beyond Meat, 5 potatoes, the diaya mac and cheese, 2 boxes, the diaya cheddar cheese shredded, sea salt, cayenne pepper, Cajun seasoning, and garlic powder. We're going to put some water in here and we're going to start boiling the water for the potatoes. After we boil the water for the potatoes, we're going to start peeling them. So by the time we're finished peeling the potatoes and chopping them up, they should be ready to be put in the pot. Right now I'm getting a little trash bag so it can catch anything that I'm cutting, but I will only use it or need it for when I'm peeling the potatoes for this meal. So now that I have the potatoes peeled, this is what I have them looking like before I dice them up and get them ready to go into the pot. And I also just salted my water for the boiling because I forgot to do it the first time. Alright, so you guys, this is what it looks like on the inside. When you open up this box, it comes with the noodles and the cheese, and you see how small it is, so I had to get 2 boxes. Each box only comes with 3 servings, so I know it's just me and Amari, but I like to have stuff for a later date. Comment down below if you guys like leaving timers or setting timers when you're cooking, because that's how I keep up with everything.
Alright, so I put the timer for 10 minutes so I can know when to start boiling the noodles, because these noodles cook very fast and I don't want them to be like mushy. So what I do is I get 2 bottles of water, since it's like 4 cups of water, and these are like a little over than a cup, so like the 2 bottles of water is like 2.2, so it's like 2 cups and a half, I guess. So That's what I use, and I'm going to be putting the water in here for it to boil. Put sea salt in it, and then we're going to boil the noodles, and then I'm going to show you guys the rest of how I make this vegan macaroni with a twist. Okay, so what I was saying was it was like 16.9 fluid ounces. So that's 2 cups. 2 cups of water and 9 fluid ounces. So I felt like that would be something good to do. Go ahead and put that in. Okay, we got 20 seconds left to spare. So I'm going to turn this down so it won't cook too fast while I'm trying to get this started over here with the noodles. With my sea salt. Yes, honey. So now, all we have to do is wait. This probably takes about 15 minutes for it to all be done. And the reason why I boil the potatoes first is because the potatoes take a long time for them to like get soft a little bit. And we're not putting the macaroni in the oven because I don't like the way the cheese melts on the top of it. So we're gonna put the cheese inside of the macaroni. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Seconds left. It's still boiling. It literally takes like 5 minutes to like boil these noodles. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drain them. We're gonna drain the noodles, and then we're going to I'm gonna show you how we get it, you know, cheesy, and then we're going to add the potatoes and the Beyond Meat into it. If you hear someone in the background, it's Amare, she's eating. Right. Let's get to it. It's good. It's good.